My dad told me I'm not allowed to do this. But he's not fucking here, is he? Yeah. Maybe he's right. Get out. The old what is that? What is that? Oh, I've got everything in. What is that? Is that that? What the fuck is that? Go in this thing, can I? Take these two out. And then two down there to do. Oh, and light. Yes. Can you tell I'm not DIY orientated by any chance? Right, let's see off there. No, wrong way. 3 minutes, I don't fuck, I'll say that. Easy, being a spark is easy. Make too much money. What's that? Got in it? So before we continue, let me just say I'm really sorry if you don't like people chewing. Skip ahead, because I don't know what came over me that day, but I decided to do like a hashtag Brady chomping food like a fucking idiot. So yeah, just skip ahead. I don't know how far, but just skip ahead. And this will probably be the only cutting I do, a bit like fucking Window Kid, but yeah. ASMR. I said sorry. Sorry. ASMR, did you hear that? That was disgusting, I do apologise. Just sitting on the toilet while I eat a sandwich. A wrap. That's not, obviously not a fucking sandwich, is it? It's probably a good time to tell you what's going on. So since... When was the last video? It was probably January, February, March, maybe, I don't know. And we were supposed to be starting within a month. Loads of shit went wrong. Loads of shit went wrong. There was calculations that needed doing that weren't done and other stuff. So it got held back for ages. And it just started taking a piss, really. So, Mrs. got on to the local MP, funny enough. And within 3 weeks of getting in touch with the local MP, guess what happened? Come on down! So yeah. Starting on October the 6th. Which gives us 11 days to dismantle 2 sheds, move everything. A lot of shit, really. And this shed is really well made. Like 6 inches thick in fucking insulation. So I'm going to take everything out, take it all apart. We're going to try and keep it if we can, but I don't think that's going to happen. Sad thing means we're not spending Christmas here at the house. We have to go to my missus's mum's, or my dad has another house that we can go to. So hopefully this will be done by January. This whole extension fucking fiasco. Been waiting 6 years for it, by the way. 6. I thought it was 5, but it's been 6. Just the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. But yeah, I've got a few mates that can help us burn stuff. We'll burn everything. Might even end up burning the shed. What? You want? But yeah, this might even be getting burnt if we can't Can't take it apart like nicely. That's what it is, isn't it? Bit sad to see it go. Look, they even got an hand dryer. Just doing them screwdrivers. What the fuck have I just done with them screwdrivers? Am I losing my fucking marbles? Oh, dickhead. One plug socket for when we next have a shed. Bag of plug sockets. Put them on eBay. Tenner. There's the water. I'm no scientist, right? But there's the water, yeah? Look what it's wrapped around. I'm no electrician, but I reckon wrapping wires around the water pipe probably not the best idea. Just saying. Wait till my dad gets back, see what he says. You know what I mean? One little light bulb. Just what I take down. One little light bulb. Let's take the light bulb out for a start. Philips, posh. Ah, it's broken. Ah, it's fucking broken. My heart and soul. Nah, this light bulb is broken. As you can tell, the hammer is not my forte. Oh, there we go. Shot. Can I just knock that off? Oh, he's not going to be happy about that. Don't tell my dad. Spider! Spider! Also, right, just asking a question. Is that legal?
Yeah.
No, it is.
Yeah, why?
Wrapping electric wires around the water pipe's legal.
Yeah.
Fuck off!
Same, can't it? Plus, if you had your do what that I gave you, you know,
You give me the what?
I give you a do what.
He did give me one. I left out in the rain. So, yeah.
Which you've lost or left out in the garden, like you leave all the fucking tools to give you out in the garden. Never give your tools to your kids. You never get them back.
Not the red. Oh, there oh, stop it. I can hear it. There we go. Ugh.
Where were the stones?
Look there. All them stones. Fucking animal.
I think it's turned.
Is that not just part of the pie?
No.
So that just went in your foot. Granddad's got.
Fucking hell. It's making me heave.
Oh, keep that seal there.
I think all that stone, that must be. I think all that stone's coming from other way, isn't it? That broken drain, isn't it? So what's that then? Get off.
That's the shot water. Right, you press down a bit here.
Let's see if what the fuck's that?
Stop tap. Stop tap's there.
Where, down there?
Yeah.
Just need to leave it.
Where?
Down there.
Oh yeah. Cool.
So.
Right, let's stop it. Yeah.
No, I don't know whether I can. I don't think you need a key.
Give it that box seat going on upstairs though.
The future for me.
Eh?
It was the future for me.
Was it really?
Yeah, I was gonna fucking. This would have been my bit, wouldn't it? She'd have been saying, "Yeah, give me." Shouting me and all that, wouldn't she? So you come along and fucked up my fucking life.
How did I fuck up your life?
No. We won't go into it.
Bit mean that, Jim, but we'll carry on. My dad told me I'm not allowed to do this. But he's not fucking here, is he? Yeah. Maybe he's right. Fucking hell. Ready? I keep injuring myself. Maybe my dad was right. Maybe I'm a fucking dickhead. Oh! Done it! No, get out! If you want any jobs doing, I'll charge £50 an hour. You do you? So, just ask. Link in bio and all that. That was pretty scary. I just feel like the installation is probably full of spiders. Half the roof is off. It's full of spiders though. I fucking hate spiders. Also, it's full of insulation. And I'm itching like I've got a yeast infection. I feel like I've got thrush all over. I hope it wasn't asbestos. Nah. Just got to do this other side. And here. And here. And then take the sides off. Oh, God. I reckon this is what Spider-Man felt like when he got tingly spidey senses. It's not very nice.